In this video, we learn how to add a stroke or outline to your text, a super simple but powerful effect that can instantly make your titles and captions stand out. First, import your video into the timeline, then tap on text from the bottom toolbar and select Add Text. Type in your desired text. This could be your title, your channel name, or even a small caption. Once your text is added, position it wherever you want on the screen. Now, tap on the Styles tab below to open all the customization tools. Here, you'll see options for color, shadow, background, and stroke. Tap on stroke. You'll now see a color palette. This lets you pick the color of your text outline. For example, a white stroke works perfectly if your background is dark, and a black or colored stroke stands out well against light scenes. Below that, you'll notice the width slider. This controls how thick or thin your outline appears. Drag the slider to the right to make the stroke bold and eye-catching, or keep it slightly left for a clean, minimal look. Once you're done, play your video to see the changes in action. You'll notice how the outline text pops beautifully against the video, giving it a much more cinematic and professional touch. And that's how easy it is to add a stroke or outline to your text in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy CapCut Mobile editing tips.